Good day mga kasimanons to mga INHS. Thank you sa pag-support sa aking YouTube. Okay, sa diri nga video ako itudlokan ninyo ang mga famous entrepreneurs sa buong kalibutan. Una, si Bill Gates. Si Bill Gates ara kang American entrepreneur, programmer, investor, and philanthropist. Siya kaya or tana kaya ang co-founder ng Microsoft. That's why today, she earns a lot of billions of dollars and he's belong to the richest man in the world. Kag sarata na sa mga manaligan nga tao kay nag-focus na sa lot of his time in the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Nagabulig na kaya sa tao. Hambal na Bill Gates, take a risk. If you want to win big, you sometimes have to take big risk. Lahat ng mga entrepreneur to all over the world, they take a risk to become progress of their company. If you given or if you taking a risk, it sometimes help you to more productive and more convenient in your own goal in life. Kaya nakita niya, at least $360 billion of giving has been pledged by 139 individuals with a combined 2016 net worth of $731 billion. Bill Gates has pledged more than 80% of his wealth to charity upon death. Yan po si Bill Gates. Isa po siya sa mga tulunging tao sa mundo. That's why today, we need, as a young generation, we need our mindset to the business. Because business can drive our economic grow up in the midst of this crisis. Business is a solution to the poverty of this country. Dahil kung business ba tayo, everyday have an income. Every day have a flow of money, and every flowing of money there's an income, there's a bills or there's a taxes that can build one nation to more productive, to more progressive. With the taxes of every Filipinos, of every individuals in the world can create or can contribute to become their country more progressive, to become their country modernized. That is all. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you inspire and please subscribe. Thank you very much.